Hi everyone, I've received some emails with some questions about the cannabis stocks and I just want to address those for you quickly. First of all, yes, you can trade the cannabis stocks with your stockbroker that you have, whichever one it is, they're going to allow you to trade these cannabis stocks. The second thing is that there's nothing different or scary, there's no learning curve if you want to trade the cannabis stocks. The fact that they're cannabis stocks just means that's the industry they're in. Well, it could be a technology stock, a healthcare stock, and when we flip over to my charts in just a moment, I'm going to show that to you. And this is going to offer you tremendous diversity. Now, I can tell you, the people who've already added the cannabis stock sector to their VantagePoint have been very pleased. There have been some tremendously profitable opportunities that they've been able to participate in, and I'm very excited about having you add this cannabis stock sector to your VantagePoint as well. So let's flip over to my charts.
Okay, I told you I had something really interesting to show you about these cannabis stocks, but before I do that, I just want to show you what's happened in this most recent crossover to the upside in this cannabis stock, which is symbol CRON. So if you look at the chart here, you can see you had a clear-cut indication, crossover that this stock was expected to go up, confirmed by the neural index where it went from red to green. That's your second confirmation. And all three of your predicted indicators, your short-term, your medium, and long-term, all crossing above the zero line, telling you that this stock is going to go up. Okay, that is 5 indicators, 5 predictive indicators, all screaming this stock is going to go up. Not hard to figure out what you need to do at this time. Now, one of the things that I really love about this is this was a really inexpensive stock. Okay, so it was less than $6.50 per share at the time that VantagePoint forecasted it to go up. Now, as of yesterday's close, you can see it was just under $8.50 per share. So it made a really nice jump to the upside predicted by VantagePoint in advance, and it was a very inexpensive stock. So if you do your profit calc, you say, okay, well, how much could I have made as a trader if I was trading this stock? This is through close of the market yesterday. You can see that in 5 trading days, this stock went up almost 38%, $2.28 a share. So it would have been very easy for you to, let's say, buy 1,000 shares, make a couple $1,000s literally in 5 days, simply by looking at this and seeing that you have 5 indicators screaming that this stock is going to go up, and you knew this information in advance. This is the important thing, is having this information in advance. Now, a lot of people, they misunderstand the cannabis stocks, or they're not sure, are they predictable? Look, the cannabis stocks are just like any other stocks, really. You got your basic material stocks, cannabis stocks, you've got your energy stocks, your healthcare stocks. It just gives you an opportunity to diversify into other areas. But this is the cool thing that I want to show you about the cannabis stocks. So I added all of the U.S. cannabis stocks into an IntelliScan, okay? So if you look right here, you can see there are 46 cannabis stocks included in the cannabis stock sector. I just showed you one where you could have made thousands of dollars just in a couple of days. But here's what's interesting. Out of the 46, if I say I'm looking for stocks that are, let's say, I'm going to say under $10 a share, check this out. 41 of them are under $10 a share. I could refine this even further in my IntelliScan. I can say I'm looking for how many are under $5 a share, and you can see 37 of them under $5 a share. So what this means is that if you don't have a lot of money, you can certainly trade these, or if you want to load up on the number of shares so you can really bank on these moves, you absolutely can do that with these cannabis stocks. So I highly recommend adding this to your VantagePoint software. It's going to give you more diversity, more opportunities to profit, and I know you'll be very pleased.